I lost my tooth.
All right, Angela. So how's it feel to lose your tooth?
Oh, when your mom pulls it, my mom can pull anyone's teeth. It hurts.
It hurt?
Yeah, I did. See my tooth?
Oh, I see. Is that for the tooth fairy?
Yeah, there's your note. You want to read it? What does it say?
Well, I'm sure it's for the tooth fairy.
Yeah, no.
Well, let's take a look at your tooth.
Ah.
Look at that.
It's bleeding. See my blood?
You look like a babushka.
And Baba Stibra.
Baba Stibra? A babe? Babushka?
Jesse's just a name. She wouldn't let you play with Emma.
That's how old ladies in Romania, that's how their teeth look. All right, well, what do you want to say to your family?
I am glad. This tooth was hurting me for years. Hold on, where is it? Oh, this tooth has been hurting me for years.
All right, well, we got to wrap this up, Angela.
Really?
Say anything to Nana?
Nana? I really want you to know, don't be afraid of tooth. It's gonna be a wuss puss if you do that.
All right.
Really? Because this tooth is an ouch in the pain in the butt. And Mommy pulls hard. Oh, my side hurts. Yeah.
All right, congratulations, Angela.
Oh, look at that.